So this is part 3 of the Mario tutorial, and in this part I'm going to show you how to make a block that you hit it and a heart comes out of it, just like the mushrooms coming out of the blocks in Mario. So I've made my level here and just called it Mario 3 Heart, so we're going to jump in. So if you haven't seen part 2, you should watch part 2 first, because we're going to use the coin block and we're just going to modify that a bit to make a heart block. The heart block isn't too different from the coin block. It works pretty similarly. So we'll just copy the coin block and paste it, and we'll also drag out a heart. And for the block, we want to use a different image. We're going to use the exclamation point image, and we just want to change that one. Now, to script it, we gotta redo the script for the coin and the heart. Since the coin and the heart are different objects, we can't just copy it and change the image. We have to redo the script. So we'll just redo that quickly. So game starts, deactivate, because we're using this as a spawner, just like the coin. And we need a custom event for when it gets hit. We're going to use hit 2 here because we used hit 1 for the coin. And then when that happens, we want to spawn a copy. And then the offset is going to be the same as before. Oh, whoops, we want a vector instead of a number. 60. And actually, we'll probably move it up a little bit from where it was before. We'll do like 60, 25. And then when we spawn, we're going to do a movement function, just like with the coin. And here's, it's going to be a little bit different because the mushrooms in Mario don't go like shooting out like the coins do. They just sort of slowly come out of the block. So we'll use a velocity of 40, and we'll do a 0.6 duration. And then for the block, we just want to change the name of the event. So we'll zoom out and get that right here. Hit 1, change that to hit 2. And we don't want to shoot out 3, we just want to be able to do 1. And the image, instead of 2, it should be 3. So if we go back to the list, we'll see that the deactivated block is the third one. Yeah, the deactivated block is the third image for that. Alright, so we'll save that and play, and we'll go up to this, and we'll hit it, and we get to see a heart coming out, and it gets deactivated, and then we can jump on top and grab the heart, and it gives us a life point. So it works just like the mushroom in Mario. So just like the coin block, we're going to be copying those throughout our level once we build our final level.